Hello, this is my Friday forecast. So let's get right into it with the euro. What I'm seeing currently is, I saw a impulse to the upside, huge wick, and I wanted to see more of a range to enter, so I stayed out. Then we got the continuation, then a V reversal, then we pushed up again, also got a V reversal. So currently what I can expect is more range in price action between the low and the high. Something like this. I know that the euro really likes to range for a long time between the low and the high. So this is what I can forecast. And what I would like to see is a clean descending, impulse to the upside, look for a trade, or a nice ascending, impulse to the downside, also look for a trade, maybe an impulse to the downside, look for a bump, impulse to the upside, look for a bump. Or the best scenario to me would be that we push to, just a second, we push to the upside, get a pullback, another push, then enter a bullet long, because that would signal to me trending price action. Or same scenario to the downside, push, pullback, another push, enter on a bullet trade. But yeah, currently I'm expecting just a larger range, and I want to see some momentum. I want to see some clear direction on the euro. For the Aussie US dollar, so what I saw for the Aussie, we had this push to the upside. Then we broke the high, retraced, broke the low, retraced, broke the low, retraced, giving to us a small descending. Then we broke the high with momentum, got a really nice push, really big strength. And what we then got is a really severe pullback. So sort of a V reversal. But then here we broke the low, retraced, broke the low, retraced. So we started to have this, so I would classify it as a descending structure right here. And because I saw this descending structure, it does fit my plan on the Aussie. And I was willing to place a bullet long position on this level. So, and I got tagged in and got tagged out, so a 1% loss, but it did fit my plan. And when I see a nice large impulse, harsh pullback, but then a descending, I want to be in those trades because I know that the bullet is the bottom of a range. So I saw that price was slowing down, creating this descending channel, and I was willing to place a pending bullet long order. So yeah, that's it for the Aussie. What I can now forecast is that we can continue descending from here. Then I would look for an impulse to the upside and a trade. Also, we can have this ascending structure. Then this would signal to me more ascending price action, something like this, because we do have this descending right here. Or we can just get this large range, just volatility, or maybe we will get a nice push from here. I would then see what type of impulse we get, what type of pullback we get. Maybe I would look for a trade. What I would really like to see is a push, pullback, another push, and then bullet long trade, or a push, just a second. So push, pullback, another push, and a bullet short trade, signaling to me a trend. So yeah, that's it, what I can see on the Aussie. Currently, we broke the low and retraced, and I do believe we will see some more range in price actions since it is Friday, and on Monday and Tuesday, we know that those days are predominantly range bound. So that is what I expect. But then again, if I see clear momentum and some clear strength, I would be willing to enter a trade. So the final pair, the Aussie and the Japanese yen. What I'm seeing here is we had this impulse push to the upside, broke the high, retraced, broke the low, retraced, signaling to us a range. But we didn't get a range. We actually got nice impulse to the upside, clear momentum, and I was willing to take a long trade. I was looking to take a bond long or a nice clean bullet long, but we got a clear V reversal, so it shot straight down and not giving me any opportunity to enter. And when we see a V reversal, we can expect a range. So what we didn't get like a flat range, but we got this, I would classify it as a descending range, so a descending channel. So just let me remove this. We are breaking the lows, retracing, breaking the lows, retracing, breaking the lows and retracing. And what I can forecast from this point is what I would like to see is more of a descending, then a nice push to the upside, look for a trade. What can also happen is we can get an ascending from here, then a descending, signaling to me ranging price action. I will want to stay out of this because we are trend traders and not range bound traders. Also, what can happen is we can get a drop to the downside. I would then look for a trade depending on how the impulse looks and the pullback looks. What I would really like to see is a push, pullback, another push, and a bullet short trade. Same thing to the upside. So a push, pullback, another push, and a bullet long trade. But yeah, currently not seeing any opportunity. It is Friday and the trading week is ending. So I am actually waiting for the next week to see some moves, see some strength in the market, and see some conviction in order to enter a trade, because this is to me just a descending and I'm not seeing any strength right here. So yeah, that's it for the forecast. Those are the 3 pairs that I trade, and I will see you in the next one.